The F-14 Tomcat had a career, however brief, as a bomber, or bombcat, when the aircraft earned the capacity to deliver laser-guided bombs. During the States Navy, the Grumman F-14 Tomcat more than lived up to the job it was built for, drawing blood in battle. It was combat expertise gathered during the Vietnam War. The F-14 became the first of the American Teen Series fighters that included Fighting Falcon and the F/A-18 Hornet. What is hard nearly to comprehend is that the F-14 all-sea carrier-based multi-role fighter was built only after the United States Congress suspended the development of the F-111 TFX program. While the purpose of that program was to equip both the United States Air Force and the United States demands, the Navy was opposed. The Naval Service instead launched a fresh request for proposals, RFP, for the program, which requested a tandem two-seat, twin-engine air-to-air fighter. Grumman was awarded the contract in January and manufactured a variety of aircraft with CAT in the name, including its F-4F Wildcat, F-6F Hellcat, F Bearcat. But the Tomcat is another matter. It was purportedly named to partially commemorate U.S. Navy Admiral Tom Congress to assist the Navy's attempts to create a carrier-based fighter. The F-14 is the biggest and heaviest U.S. fighter to ever the only launch platform for the AIMG-54 Phoenix missile, and it could carry up to 6 of the 1,000-pound missile setters for its time. The Tomcat was able to track up to 24 targets at once. Moreover, it was a flexible platform, priority fighter, fleet defense interceptor, and aerial reconnaissance platform. The F-15 was renowned for its variables. That idea was initially tried with the U.S. military's legendary X-planes, especially the Bell X-5. Extended was deemed the ideal for low-speed movement. To conserve room aboard aircraft carriers, the F-14's wings could be. The F-14 might not have Tom Cruise's now famous smile, but the aircraft became a de facto movie celebrity owing to 19 aircraft taking off and landing from the U.S. Enterprise CVN-65. CVN-65. However, 2 of the 80 film The Final Countdown, while the F-14 last featured in the 1996 movie Executive Decision. One of the VF-84 Jolly Roger paint scheme, and is now on display on the Essex-class aircraft carrier USS Lexington museum ship in Corpus Christi, Texas.